One of the Pinterest page is generating 10 million plus monthly views. Now I'm just gonna show you how to create a similar anime images, and I'll show you hidden niche to get this much traffic on Pinterest and then to your blog by using Leonardo AI for image generation. I'm going to give you a prompt which can generate images just like this. Okay, so one of the best ways to get traffic to your blog site is through Pinterest. So you can see, let's type in a keyword right here. So I'm gonna show you some hidden keywords. So let's say anime, right? So I just typed in anime, and you can see anime FPP profile pictures and art, wallpapers, tattoos, sketch. So I'm just gonna go with simple anime, okay, and then see what people are writing about, creating pictures about. Or we can also see related trends, and we have wallpaper, anime guy, anime boys, and most of the the audience is female. But let me see with a wallpaper anime. Now we have consistent trend for wallpaper anime, right? So keeping this in mind, we can get traffic each and every single day. But how to create wallpaper anime, right? If I see the popular pins, you can see Naruto and all the other anime, right? So I'm just gonna click on it and see what's going on. So this character was trending, very popular. So I'm just going to try to recreate this one of the character. So let's just see how we can do. Now I am inside Leonardo AI. So this is a image generation tool, and it's a very popular and it's a very good tool. So this is the best image. They will provide you 150 credits, right? So you can see daily you're going to get it's going to reset after 12 hours. Now I'm going to click on image creation, and I will give a prompt, generate an image of Luffy One Piece for wallpaper, and I'm going to click on generate, and you can see I have given a prompt, generate an image of Luffy One Piece for wallpaper. Now you can see it has created a variations. Now keep in mind, this might subject to copyright, but you need to transform it in such a way that you're not going to get demonetized or something like that. Okay, so D rank or something like that. Now what you can do is you can additionally give a prompt, just like generate an image of One Piece Luffy on horse or riding horse, Luffy riding horse, One Piece wallpaper. Okay, so just give some no imaginary thing which you or the original creator of the image, right? So all these images can be created with a Leonardo AI. Now even the token, if the tokens get finished, it's going to research every 12 hours. So you can take it to the blog post once you write blog post, and then post it on Pinterest and get millions, not millions. So you can see one of this page has 10 million monthly views. So you can generate just like this. Okay, Leonardo AI, and then Pinterest, and then from Pinterest to blog site, right? So in the blog site you can write a little bit about whatever the image you're generating. Okay, so example One Piece Luffy, you can just write a review, or you can give a personal review, just like you watched a movie and write something about movie, right? So this is one of the hidden niche. So I'm experimenting. So let me know in the comments what you thought about this. Is it a good niche or bad niche? Catch you on the next one.